Thank you for joining me for another episode of Legion Elite Motorsports. Today we are going to be doing a tear down on this motor. Not this motor, but I have a spare motor. So we're going to do a tear down on that. And here we go. So, after that little teardown, I'm going to explain a couple things to you guys. First off, this is the original piston and rod combo, and this is what I'm going to be going with here. This is a B16 rod. It's already been machined, so it fits the crankshaft left and right. So you got to take it and get it measured from the factory. So they are exactly the same size. And so basically let me know if you need some piston and rods. You know, shoot me a price. I'll be able to let those go. And I still have to order the pistons for this one. This is a Eagle rod. Let me see if you could, yep, you can kind of see it. And basically that's going to be the setup I'm going to be going with. These rods are rated to about 700, and the objective of this build is to touch 5, so that should be easily accomplished. So as far as the block is concerned, it's in excellent condition. Except the water jackets, I want to get the block dipped. So I have to take it to the machine shop. So basically it can clean out all of the rust that's inside. When I was running this car, it had nothing but water in it, so everyone knows the damages of that. But other than that, it's never overheated, and everything's looking pretty good. So I'd say that's the only machine shop work I need to the block, but other than that, it's ready to go. And as for the flywheel, this needs to get resurfaced. Oil pan is dented up pretty good, but no holes in it. But because it is off of the motor, I can push these dents back out and everything will be good there. Next, the head. And here's the head. Besides cleaning, I'm gonna get it ported, and I'm gonna replace all of the valve stem seals, the valves. I'm gonna see if I can get them bigger. A little bit of machine shop work with that. Yeah, you could see needs some porting, definitely. And I'm gonna use the stock cam. I'm not going to upgrade the cam on this build. I'm actually just going to use a bigger valve on both sides, which should be sufficient, plus porting. That should definitely be able to get me up to 500 horsepower, and I will take it from there. So this one's going to have the valve stem seals replaced, the valves, port, polish, the whole 9, stock cam, and I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on the mechanical rockers, so therefore I can get full effect of the stock cam. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Basically, we're going to be ordering more parts. We're going to be getting that motor put together piece by piece, a little bit of machine shop time, and we're going to gradually put everything together and take it from there. So make sure you join me for the next episode. Next episode is going to be the 1-year anniversary of Legion Elite Motorsports, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be a meet and cruise. For those of you who didn't know about it, hopefully you guys can make it out there with your Starions, and we can have a good time, hang out, and take some pictures, and we're going to cruise to the beach and have some fun.